Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. How is everyone doing? Today is the 23rd of January and it's Sunday. And within the next 24 hours, the new weekly challenge for ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Headers will start. It is the earn as much as you can every week. Anyways, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more qualifications and tutorial videos on UHRS head apps, toloka Yandex, as well as ClickWorker. For today's recording, I am working on a qualification for entity classification guidelines. This one is an easy head app. There's a lot to the guidelines, but let me just go over it through the task overview. So, given a web page, analyze it to get the primary entity described in it and either say yes or no on whether that primary entity belongs to the shown entity type. Please note a given primary entity can have multiple types. For the purpose of this hit app, we don't need to know the best or most appropriate type. We simply want to know whether the entity type assignment is correct or not. Steps is read the web page on the left, this one. Read the entity type on the right, this one, and determine the primary entity of the web page and decide if the entity type is, or yeah, if it is correct. Is the displayed entity type for the given web page correct? Just choose yes or no as the answer. If you see a blank screen, open it on a new tab. If it does not open in the new tab either or does not exist, please click on page not found and then click submit. This one should be easy. So let's work on this one. Entity type is famous generic people. Now we have Matt Owen. Um, this is from IMDb. If a website like IMDb has a page for a person, he or she can be considered as a famous generic people type of entity. So this one is a yes. By the way, guys, I am working on the Japanese version, but most likely the qualification heads are going to be the same. So, movie, this is the movie. It is in Russian. You can use Google Translate. If you want to translate it, you can open it on a new tab. Make sure you have the Google Translate add-in, and then click on Translate this page. So, it is a film. So, movie type. So, this is a yes. Moving on to the next is Krishna Murthy, actor. So that is going to be a yes. Kate Raniere, actor as well. We have to do a research on this. Yeah, she's an actress or an actor. Therese Lee, actor as well. That's definitely a yes. Hold on a sec. It's asking me to stay a little bit longer on the page. But anyways, we can do a research on who this person is. Therese Lee, original Dreamer economist. Okay, let's click yes. Now, Kim White McKinsey, it's this person is an actor, yeah. Movie, All the Girls I've Loved Before, yep, it is a movie as well. See, it is an easy hit. Asif Sheikh or Shaikh, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but that's a yes. Jude Hyder, that's a yes as well. Can do a research on this. The sidebar, yeah, so that's a yes. Nordine Beauchamp. That's a yes as well. Okay, we passed the qualification. Again, this is a hit called entity type classification. There's multiple. There are multiple versions of this. You got the Japanese, English, as well as French, and I believe German as well. But for this one, it's the Japanese version. But as you see, the qualification questions or hits are in English. So most likely, The questions on the quali for all those languages will be the same. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped you out to qualify for this hit. And again, you can join our Facebook group called ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Thank you.